If you're a little bit confused about how hosting works, this video will explain it in basic terms for you to make it easy to understand. When people go to your website address, it connects to a folder on the internet which will contain all your website files. This folder is located on the web hosting server. This is like a computer that is always on to show your website to the world. This service is called web hosting.
Web hosting, you get your own private secure folder for your web hosting files featuring unlimited email accounts and unlimited data transfer. This is something you won't find anywhere else. All of our web hosting packages have no hidden costs. What you pay for is what you get.
You can choose from a number of different web hosting plans to suit almost any situation. Your website will be hosted in our premium Dell web service located in data centers found throughout the country. This allows our advanced technical team to closely monitor our service 24/7 and maintain our proud record of maximum uptime.
Our high-speed hosting makes your website run fast within the country and all over the world for people that find you online. Viewers will be able to load your website as fast as their internet connection allows. Also, as part of all web hosting plans, you get our email and DNS hosting services, so it's basically 3 services rolled into one.
Choose which plan suits your needs now and we'll get your setup immediately, so you got what you need to start building your website and setting up your email addresses.